Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Hip Kit Club. Today is Cut File Tuesday and I will be working on a layout using the February 2021 Hip Kits. The challenge for today was, on top of using a cut file, of course, was to add some mixed media and stitching. So you will see the stitching details on this layout they're just very simple. Is using white thread on the edges of this white background. Now for the mixed media, we are gonna trick the system with the beautiful clear stickers that we got as part of our February Hip Kits, and they are some mixed media brush strokes that are absolutely beautiful, and they will go really well since we're using a white background. So I'm starting with just creating a frame for my page, and then I'm bringing the 365 New Dreams cut file. This is one of the January exclusive cut files from HipKit. Make sure to check the website on the cut file section to be able to download this one. So I am gonna back this cut file in two different ways. I'm gonna use the same pattern paper for the whole new word, and then I'm just tracing the letters. You can also use your machine if you would like to just get a super clean cut. Okay, so now I'm sorting and looking through the pattern papers. These are all from the February Hip Kits. So if you got the main kit or if you got the paper kit, you will get those. Now you see, for this I just traced the number or the letters eventually, and what I'm doing is I'm cutting them, leaving some space, some margin from my pencil tracing marks, and that will allow me to just glue it to the back of the cut file. And I will not show you the whole process. For the Dreams word, I did exactly the same. I think I will be showing you the D. Yes, just again the same thing, just tracing the letter and cutting, leaving some margin. Also, I am doing it on the back of the page, not the side that I want it to be seen. And this way we just make sure that we don't need to erase any pencil marks, and we just skip that step. All right, and here I'm using clear liquid glue. You can use any adhesive. You can use double-sided tape, liquid glue, hot glue if you want. They will all work. Now, a mistake that I made at this point, it's not terrible. It's not the end of the world, but don't glue or stick your cut file to the page until you're done working with your mixed media or with your background. But again, wasn't the end of the world. This way I could see exactly where each letter was, and what I'm trying to do is go some tone on tone with my mixed media, as I would have done if I would have played with watercolors or paints. And I am in love with these stickers. This is definitely one product that I would, if I would have the chance to get many items or many copies of the same product, this would definitely be one of those. It's a time saver. If you struggle with mixed media, if you're afraid of mixed media, or if you just want to save time and forget about getting messy on a project, this is just the way to go. Now I'm adding some of the Pink Fresh Studio die cuts, the floral die cuts, to embellish or to create a couple of clusters. So one will be on the left side where my picture is, and the other one will be on the right side, which is the one that we're working on right now. Trying to find the right place for that tiny leaf. Some details on the top left. And these chipboard stickers are definitely one of my favorites from the January Hip Kits. So I have the one on top that says just start. I think it goes perfectly with the theme and the idea of the 365 new dreams. Placing a few more stickers on that cluster. And we are almost done. I think we're now gonna just work on our journaling. Oh, found a puffy sticker, and that is just directing me where my journaling will be. So we're gonna add the date with a date stamp that will be on the left of that arrow, and then the journaling will be on the right. Here are some close-up pictures that as you can see, the mixed media, those stickers look just amazing. I am so in love with this page. I feel really inspired to just see it. This is one of the pages that I want to hang on my wall and, make sure that I see it every day, and that I remind myself that everything is possible. So make sure that you check the rest of the sites for inspiration today, the YouTube channel and the Facebook group for more inspiration from our design team members. And also check the website. The March Hip Kits are already available for you to grab. I really hope you have gotten your February kits already. If not, we know they're on their way. Kimberly already said that every single February hip kit was shipped. So that is great news. And I hope that you can start creating pretty soon and feel inspired by all the projects that we are putting together for you. This was Andrea for Hip Kit Club, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.